Hello everybody. Today's lesson is all about treasured possessions. Yes, treasured possessions. Those material things in life which we hold most dear to us. Now the lesson is divided into three parts. We've got a listening exercise followed by a short video and then a speaking exercise. So without further ado, let's have a look at the first exercise, which is the listening. The listening is a very easy matching exercise. You're just matching the 7 speakers on the left with what they say on the right, and you write your answers in the column here. Okay, in the third column. I'll give you the answers in next week's post for you to check. So that's the listening. Very, very simple. The next activity is, again, a very simple activity. All you're going to do is watch a video featuring Simon Cowell, who I'm sure you all recognise as being an important media figure. He's a bit of a media mogul, actually, because he owns and runs the X Factor franchise. So what you're going to do is you're going to listen to him speaking about his most treasured possession, and you just have to decide at the end of it what his most treasured possession is. So let's click.
Yeah, he seriously tried to come to me, and I kept going, no, I can't. And I phoned my friends, and I said, I was going to buy this stupid car.
Haha, big clue there. Okay. Anyway, the final activity is going to be a presentation, which I'd like you to prepare. It's going to be an anecdote which I would like you to upload onto the Moodle platform as a video or audio recording. The presentation should last about 3 minutes, and it's all about my most treasured possession, or your most treasured possession. Careful with the pronunciation here, because treasured possession is a little bit of a mouthful. Let's say these sounds: treasured possession. Treasured possession. So you might want to practice that a few times before you start your anecdote. Okay, good luck and see you next week. Bye bye.